Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Bryant from Old Orchard Beach Chiropractic, and I wanted to take just a minute to tell you what we do as chiropractors and how we go about doing it. If you see this chart here, here's the brain and here's the spinal cord. The brain communicates with every part of your body, and it does that through the spinal cord. It'll tell the joints how to move, the muscles how to move, the tissue how to function, the organs how to do their work. Really every cell of the body gets communication one way or another from the brain. It's always sending the messages through the spinal cord and then out through these nerve roots, which come out between the bones of the back, or the vertebra. Now what can happen, and what we look for as chiropractors, is you can have a bone that moves out of position. And sometimes that pinches a nerve, puts pressure on a nerve. Sometimes it just irritates a nerve. But either way, this signal being sent from the brain as it comes down and comes out through the bones, through the nerve roots, can be changed. And when that happens, this communication process is changed as well. What we do as chiropractors is we look for these bones that are out of position. They're called subluxations in our terminology. And we put a little bit of motion into those joints. Try to put them to a better position where they should be. When that happens, that often takes the pressure off the nerve, that pinching goes away, or it just removes that irritation. And then when that happens, all of a sudden this communication from the brain down through the spinal cord and out through the nerve roots happens better again. And really healing just happens better again. You're able to take care of your body the way it's meant to be. That's what we do. Thanks.